Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to buy WLFi using Coinbase as a starting point. Since WLFi isn't directly available on Coinbase, you'll need to follow a few extra steps. We'll cover setting up a compatible wallet, funding it, and then using a decentralized exchange to complete your purchase. It's a straightforward process once you know the sequence. Your first step is to set up a non-custodial wallet, such as MetaMask, which will hold your WLFi tokens. Next, you'll need to fund your Coinbase account with a cryptocurrency that's compatible with the network WLFi operates on, like Ethereum or Polygon. Once purchased, transfer this cryptocurrency from your Coinbase account directly to your newly created wallet. Now, connect your non-custodial wallet to a reputable decentralized exchange that supports WLFi. It's crucial to find the official WLFi token contract address to avoid scams. Always double-check this information. Once connected and the correct token is selected, you can swap your funded cryptocurrency for WLFi tokens. Be mindful of gas fees, which can vary. After completing the swap, verify that your WLFi tokens have successfully appeared in your connected wallet. Remember that transaction times and network gas fees can fluctuate, so patience is key. You've now successfully navigated the process of acquiring WLFi. For more great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.